Ano ang feeling sa nakatos mo ang imutiil sa pirti ka mainit ka, ano?
Hot.
Wow.
It's so warm.
So gusto mo maligo doon sa taas kasi meron doon pwedeng maligo.
Napunta na ako doon sa taas. Hala, nabasa siya.
Basa naman talaga yan. Okay, this is Hot Spring Resort. They have this kiddie pool, and the one that I have featured a while ago is the ano na, tub for feet na sa mga paalang. Init. Init talaga siya. So yun po. Mainit. Ang ganda. Ang ganda dito. Natural na natural. Napalibutan ito ng mga punong kahoy. Sobrang ganda. At dito sa resort na to ay meron ding mga amenities na mag-i-enjoy na rin kayo dito. No. Meron silang massage, no? Meron silang pa-massage, no? Mi nuatด้วยนะนวดไทย Thai massage and oil massage เอาน้ำอ้อยนวดน้ำอ้อยนะครับพาก็เป็นอะไรนะหมอนวดทีนี้นะครับผมเขาชั่วโมงเท่าไหร่นะพระนวดไทยอ่ะ
ชั่วโมงละ200ถ้าออยมัสสาดก็ชั่วโมงละ300
โอเคแล้วเขานวดไทยเท่าไหร่
นวดไทยชั่วโมงละ200
200 Thai massage is for 200 but for 1 hour pwede po kayong mag-ano ng 30 minutes ako flat na flat ang ano mo girl walang makikita. Ito po, massage and spa, and the contact number. Going through this area. Okay, I will also feature you the pand. Yung maganda po. Na sobrang ano suka toilet yan po. Punta tayo sa fish pond nila. Daming tubig dito. Wow, my God. I just go, Lord. Wow, look at those fish. Oh, this is really a nice place to visit because aside from the nature, like the hot spring and the waterfalls, no, there are bodies of water, especially this little lake, this pond is full of fish. No? You can see tilapia, no, merong karpa, and there's koi over there, the white one, because I can see it clearly, no, on the camera. It's a koi fish, no, and with that size in the Philippines, especially in the commercial mall, I mean in the mall or in the supermarket, you can have it for 3,000 to 5,000 pesos. But here, you can enjoy watching for free. You know, there's no need to pay for the entrance. Let's see. Look at that. My God. I don't have food. Okay, later. Okay. I got yellow, I got red also, and I got white in our pond in Dumangas. See this? They really invested a lot of money just to create this vast of pond, no? And for this species of fish, no, to live in. Ganda po. So come and visit this hot spring resort in Suan Peng, overlooking the mountain ranges with fall of vegetation. Napakaganda po. Meron pang apakopolko para yan sa skin disease na parang alap-up, yung puti-puti sa sa katawan. Pwede yan mo lang, kunin mo yung mo lang, i-pound mo lang yan siya at ipahid. Gaganda yan. Actually, it is also native in the Philippines. And datilis, meron din datilis dito. And of course, yan, sikat yan na dinadayo ng mga maligno sa atin daw. Pero dito, sinasamba nila yan, binibigyan nila ng pagkain at tinatalian ng ribbon. Okay, bye. Bye fish. Bye, see you.